Hello everyone, my name is Razel N. Castro and I am a first year BSIS student from Camarines Norte State College. And in this video, I'm excited to share to you some of my past experience, skills, and future goals that brought me to where I am today. So let me start talking about my past. So ever since bata pa talaga ako is I have a special interest when it comes to technology. Kikita ko sarili ko nagkakalas ng mga laruan o kahit anong mga gadgets dyan na basta makutingting ko na lang. Like, wala lang, nag-enjoy lang talaga ako sa mga nagagawa ng gadgets kahit lang maliit yung mga parts nito. Kaya rin siguro isa to sa mga naging daan para piliin ko ang program na BSIS. And sa skills naman, natuto akong gumawa ng mga documents, Excels, and PowerPoints na may minimal designs.
And I really enjoy the progress of learning those skills.
One of my achievements I'm proud of is natapos ko tong first sem nang walang bagsak. And with this accomplishment, mas na-motivates pa ako na magpursige sa pag-aaral para sa mga upcoming semester. As for my goal naman is, I want to have a good and stable job na hoping is matagpuan ko dito sa tech industry. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching my videos and learning a bit about me. I'm excited to continue this journey and achieve greater milestone in the future. And I hope ganun din kayo.